Ductless chimney, the pros and cons. A ductless chimney is a great option for people who want to avoid the hassles and expense of installing a traditional chimney. They are also a good choice for people who live in apartments or condos, where installing a traditional chimney is not possible. However, there are some potential drawbacks to ductless chimneys that you should be aware of before making a decision. What is a ductless chimney? A ductless chimney is a type of chimney that does not require ductwork to function. Instead, it relies on natural airflow to draw smoke and combustion gases up and out of the chimney. Ductless chimneys are often used in homes with open floor plans or in rooms where a traditional chimney would be difficult to install. How does a ductless chimney work? The key to its operation is the flue, which is a vertical pipe that runs from the firebox to the top of the chimney. The flue is open at the top, which allows hot air and gases to rise up through the chimney. As these gases rise, they create a draft that pulls more air and gases up through the chimney. This process continues until all of the hot air and gases have been expelled from the fireplace. Pros of having a ductless chimney. A ductless chimney is a great way to enjoy all the benefits of a fireplace without the hassle and expense of a traditional chimney. Ductless chimneys are much easier to install, and they are much more efficient at keeping your home warm during the winter. Ductless chimneys also create a safer environment in your home, as they do not release any harmful gases or smoke. As an added bonus, ductless chimneys typically have lower energy bills than traditional fireplaces. So if you are looking for a safer, more efficient way to enjoy your fireplace, consider installing a ductless chimney. Cons of having a ductless chimney. Less efficient than their ducted counterparts. Pollutants can be released directly into your home, posing a health hazard to those with allergies or respiratory problems. Ductless chimneys are less efficient than their ducted counterparts. They can be very noisy. How to decide if a ductless chimney is a right choice for you? Here are some factors to consider when deciding if a ductless chimney is right for you. Do you have an existing fireplace? If so, a ductless chimney may not be necessary. Do you have an open floor plan? Ductless chimneys can be beneficial in open floor plans because they don't require ductwork. Do you have high ceilings? Ductless chimneys are a good option for homes with high ceilings because they don't require a duct system. Are you looking for a low-maintenance option? Ductless chimneys are low maintenance because they don't require ductwork. Do you want to save energy? Ductless chimneys can help you save energy because they don't lose heat through ductwork. If you like this explanation, please like the video and subscribe channel. Products links are in the description, also check them for reference.